Hello and welcome to Everything RV by Pat. Today we're going to put on a vent cover on my Max fan in the living room area and the kitchen area. I'm just opening up my package and taking a look. Looks like I've got the front cover and the unit itself. Looking for packing or directions. Directions are right on it. Alright, pulling it out of the package. It's kind of a rainy, windy day here in California today. But I'm going on a trip tomorrow and I want to get this done today. So if I can do this without killing myself, that'd be wonderful. Fanmate. Side hinge hardware from MaxxAir. Shouldn't take too long. This is the third one I've ordered. I'll tell you the story about that in a minute. I'm going to go up on the roof and put her on. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is going to take off the cover before I go up above. I'm going to assemble this. Alright, hardware included. I think all I'm going to need are these pins. Now the grate goes into the front like so. Put both of those in. That one's going to be a pain. I guess it just snaps right into place. You should hear 3 clicks. 1, 2. No, that didn't click in. One, 2, 3. 3 clicks. There we go. Now, this should sit right on top of my MaxxAir vent, and all I have to do is put the pins in. Taking a quick look at the directions. Snap, snap, snap. And then right over here, it shows how they pin in. And I think that's all I'm going to have to do is with those pins. We'll see when we get up on the top. Alright, so you can see over there on the other vent, that's my bathroom vent, I installed a cover on it. It is a fantastic cover. And it screws in alongside the, just take a bolt or a nut out, screw it out, and put it in the same holes. I'm sorry if there's wind noise, but it's really windy. We live in the Antelope Valley. It's really windy all the time. So when I ordered that one, the fantastic vent cover, I didn't realize that this was a MaxxAir fan. And it has these little knobs there sticking up. So I had ordered 2 of the fantastic fan covers. Then I sent it back, got a MaxxAir fan cover, and it didn't fit either because of these little knobs. So now I think I have the right one finally. Okay, so we're going to try and do this pretty quick. My hat just blew away. But this should sit right down on top of there on all 4 sides. So it should sit there too. And all is a matter of doing is snapping in probably from the front to the back. I'll take this off, take 2 clips off, clean it off side. I'm not going to try and film the other side, but same basic procedure. Clip slides in, flip it up, and the last clip. Slides in, flip it up, and it's on. And it's as simple as that. Again, MaxxAir with the clips on the side. I'll put a link in the description. There's a good view of it on the roof. Thank you for watching. Again, the link will be in the description. I'm sorry if the audio wasn't all that great, but it is what it is when you live in the Antelope Valley of California, the wind capital of the world. Just like tell everybody that. Thank you for watching, and as always, we will see you out on the road.